Okay, this is the attic access above the guest building. And we come over here and we see some of our hanger brackets in the corners that extend up past the corners. They don't fit right. The manufacturer, the metal connector manufacturer, Simpson Strong Tie is one of them. They stipulate that the connector should be sized properly, not oversized like that. They obviously can't perform, they can't be installed to perform as they were designed. And then we come in here and a lot of our fasteners on the hardware and around the our screws, they're supposed to be lag bolts or nails, so they're not supposed to be screws. What vent is this that's crushed right through there? What vent is that? I'll have to get down and look. It might be the kitchen vent, it might be the bathroom vent. Let's see, that's a bathroom vent. It's the kitchen vent. The kitchen vent is crushed. Okay. We don't have a luminary up here. Okay, see if I can. If I fall, I'm gonna leave my flashlight up here. Yeah, that ductwork is pretty crushed. Just saying. Okay. Then this light, okay, has a cage over it.